This video is going to show you how to calibrate your machine. If your machine says calibrate, you're going to calibrate your machine. This is how you're going to do it. Press the small cap. Press menu. Let go. Press again. And then press until you hear that sound go away. Then you let go of the menu. And then it says calibrate. And now, originally going to say 0 ml and 0 G. We're going to make it 3G. How are you going to do that? Make the bin go down. Press next. And it says 3G. And then you can add or minus. And it says 0. And then you have to press the plus. So 1, 2, 3. When you have that, it's 3G. Then press OK. And now your machines are ready to go. And let us know if you still have a problem with your machine, and we're going to try to help you as much as we can. Alright? Thank you.